Hi Matadi guys, today I am going to talk about temperature calibrator. It is one of the most important equipments used on ship. As I told you guys कि on ship we have got temperature transmitters, we have got temperature switches जिनको हमें calibrate करना पड़ता है. We need to know whether they are working fine or not. So this is a temperature calibrator guys. And over here, now you come and guys see, have a look out here. It has got a range 50 to 650 degrees centigrade guys. The range is, that means up till 650 degrees centigrade temperature I can use this temperature calibrator. Voltage of 230 volts. Okay, fine. So now what I do is guys, I could have taken a temperature transmitter. I have taken today a temperature switch. This is a temperature switch guys. ये मेरे टैंक में लगता है. And in case that temperature of the tank, say incinerator waste oil tank temperature reaches above the set point that I put over here, alarm is going to pump. That is incinerator waste oil tank high temperature alarm. So this switch provides that alarm. Now guys, again I had told you before, transmitter और switch में क्या फर्क है? Switch is like an on off. इसको कोई मतलब नहीं है कि suppose if I make a setting of say कि alarm should come at 100 degrees centigrade. So if the temperature is 90 degrees or 95 degrees, nothing will happen. 99 degrees, nothing will happen. But the moment temperature reaches 100 degrees centigrade, alarm is going to come. That's what the moment of temperature switch is. या तो alarm है या तो alarm नहीं है. That's it. Now how does it work is guys, we have got a bulb over here. ये कैपिलरी ट्यूब लगी हुई है जो कि यहाँ से थ्रू आउट जाके यहाँ पर अंदर जा रही है. ओके गाइस, इसके अंदर भरी होती है मरकरी. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दिस बल्ब इज इनसाइड द टैंक. व्हेन इट गेट्स हीटेड दिस मरकरी एक्सपैंड्स. व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन दिस मरकरी एक्सपैंड्स? मरकरी एक्सपैंड करेगी. यहाँ पर अंदर लगा हुआ है डायफ्राम. यू कैन सी दिस. आई विल शो यू गाइस. Are your promotions slow? Not getting the respect that you deserve on board ship? If you are a marine engineer who is looking for faster promotions and earning respect on ship, then don't worry, Merchant Navy Decoded has your back. Introducing excellence packages for every rank now. You want to learn about purifiers, compressors, electronics, automation, MEGI engines, RT-Flex, ME engines. Don't worry, we are there. Learn anytime, online, offline, whether you are on land or on board ship. Engineers who invest on upgrading themselves, they lead. What are you waiting for? Go to the description box and you will find different ranks, different excellence packages. Start investing now. Jai Mata Di. Be very careful. You can see this 3-4 lines over here of copper color, right? This is the diaphragm put over here. So what happens is mercury expand करती है, ये diaphragm expand करता है. So it is right now over here. If it expands, it reaches over here, say up till over here. It expands. What happens is this spring gets compressed. When this spring compresses, you can see over here, this thing over here moves up like this. When this thing moves up, it is like a fulcrum over here. This moves up, it causes this to move down. When this moves down, you can see these are make or break contacts over here. See very carefully. Make, break. अभी ऊपर वाला the one above is making, down below is breaking. When gone up, this is making, this one is breaking. So guys, see very carefully over here. In this temperature switch, out here I have got a range and a difference. Now see, I have over here set as 70 degrees. What does this mean? कि जब इसका temperature, when the bulb senses 70 degrees centigrade over here, its mercury expands, the diaphragm expands, and accordingly the spring is compressed in such a state that it compresses the spring as well, due to which there is a movement up above over here which causes this fulcrum lever to move down and it breaks the contact. So accordingly an alarm comes. Suppose if I can increase or decrease the setting over here from 70 to 80, 90, 100, 120, 130 by using this screwdriver over here. See, right now it is set at 70 degrees centigrade. I will make it 130 degrees centigrade. Say I want to set it at 130 degrees centigrade. So I use this. See, now when I am doing this, you can see that the compressor, this spring is compressing over here. This spring is getting compressed. Can you see that? I'll compress it further. And over here it has become 110 degrees centigrade. I'll compress it further and make it 130 degrees centigrade. Okay, still a bit more to go. So it is 130 degrees centigrade and the spring has compressed further. Now what happens is, abhi right now, till the time mercury expands so much, such that it has got the courage to compress this already so much compressed spring, nothing is going to happen, right? And that can only happen if we heat the mercury too much. So only when we heat the mercury to 130 degrees centigrade temperature that it expands too much, there is a lot of pressure acting on the diaphragm, which in further is capable to compress this spring over here, and then this lever moves like this and there is a make or break contact. Another thing you have to understand is there is a differential switch over here, right guys? In this lever, fulcrum lever, there is an arrangement given for this differential switch, which basically, that I will explain in theory as well, which basically changes the point of the fulcrum, so that the alarm comes at 130 degrees centigrade, but the alarm goes only when the temperature reduces. Say if the differential is set at 10 degrees centigrade, the temperature reduces below 120 degrees centigrade. मतलब जब तक वो 10 degrees less नहीं हो जाएगा below the alarm level, the alarm is going to stay, it is not going to go. Copy it guys? This is all about a temperature switch and a temperature transmitter you got to know. So in case I have to see whether it is working properly or not, what I do is I put this inside over here like this, and I put this over here, and now I see that I have made the temperature 130 degrees centigrade, right? So I'll take approximately 10-15 minutes. Now see the temperature is dropping. Let's see. Now after, it will take some time. When the temperature becomes stable at 130 degrees centigrade, that is the time when I will see with my multimeter switch out here whether it is making or breaking guys. This is what I will do. Right now it's a make contact, and suppose if the alarm is going to come, what will happen is this is going to come down. Now, okay, see, this is a break. Anyways guys, this is a lot about Jai Mata Di. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.
So out here you can see the schematic diagram of a temperature switch. You can see the normally open, normally closed contacts. You can see a spring. You can see a bellow, which you can also call a diaphragm. You can see a thin capillary tube, and you can see a temperature sensing bulb filled with mercury. Jai Mata Di.